Hi everybody! Welcome back to the ARNE CARLOS Butterfly Coverlet Crochet Along. This is the final episode, and this is when we actually convert the butterfly, which is looking like this, into a square. And once you have a square, you can easily join them together. And for that you could actually go back to one of our other tutorials that we've made here on YouTube, where we show how to join granny squares.
It's the
and
same
this
way.
would be the exact same way to join them for the coverlet. So with that said, we need to start by telling you that the butterfly has this irregular shape and that it's not going to be possible to do anything with this in a square until we crochet a little bit more around it. And we've chosen to do it in black for the squares that we are working on, but to show you,
it in green.
We're going to be doing it in green because it's going to be easier to see. And now what you have to do is start making a square out of the butterfly. And to do that, you need to start crocheting around the wings and on the bottom using the same color that you're going to be using for the frame, so that the butterfly becomes framed in a square, basically. So as you can see from this butterfly, we've done a crochet thingy over here, and then we've done the same crochet thingy here, and then one down there. And after we've done these three, we can just start going around in a square.
That's like 2 rounds.
Yeah. So
let's do the thingy.
The thingies first.
In the back.
Yeah.
So chain 6, chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you make that into a circle with a slip stitch. Then you do chain 3. Then you go to the second of the picots from the body. And you do 1 single crochet in the second picot, and then you do a chain of 3, and you go back to the circle and you do a chain stitch around the circle. Then you do more of the chain stitches. You go to the first picot from the body on the first wing. You do 3, and you go back to the circle with 1. So now I have this, what you call it? I'm doing the thingy.
The thingy, yeah.
Attached to the wings. Then you do the same for the back of the butterfly in that circle in the back. 1 single crochet and chain 3, and you go back again to the circle, the green circle. And 1, 2, 3 chains, and you go to the other wing, and you do a single crochet in the first picot from the body, chain 3, and you go back to the circle with chain 1. Then you chain 3 again. You do 1 single crochet in the second picot from the body. You chain 3. You go back to the circle and do 1 single crochet. And you cut the yarn and you pull the yarn through the last stitch.
And that concludes the first.
Then you've done the first thingy in the back. Then you need 2 more thingies.
You need the sides as well.
On the sides.
So this side and that side.
Then you can tell me what I'm doing.
You're going to chain 6 and join them into a ring.
A ring. 2
with 1
3,
slip stitch
4,
on the
5,
first chain.
6, 1 slip stitch in the first, and now I do.
You chain 3.
1, 2, 3.
And then you do 1 single crochet in the first picot on the front.
So that will be this one.
Of the wing.
The first picot on the front. So 1 single crochet, and then you chain 3 back. 2, 3, and you do 1 single crochet around the circle. And now I do... What do I do now?
That's a very good question. Chain 3, 1 single crochet around, join between front and back wings.
3. So then I do 1 around the join. Is that what you call it, where these two meet?
Yeah.
So 1 single crochet.
You join between front and back wings. Chain 3, 1 single crochet
1,
back around the ring.
2 and 3, and 1 single crochet back. And then I do, I guess I chain 3 again.
Yeah.
And then I go to the first
Picot
on the
back.
small one.
Yep, on the back wing.
And I do a single crochet. Then I do chain 3. And I go back to the circle with 1 single crochet. Then I got the thingy.
Yeah.
So now I have the thingy on that side, and I do the same on this side. I cut the yarn, pull the yarn through the last stitch.
And
then I do another one, chain of 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I do a chain, slip stitch in the first, and I do 1, 2, 3, chain of 3. Then I do the same on this side, so I start on the first, on the, what do you call it? The small wing.
Yeah, the back wing.
And then in the picot that is next to the attachment with the blue, and I make 1 single crochet, chain 3. I go back to the circle and I do 1 single crochet, then I chain 3 again, and I go to the place where these two are attached, and I do a single crochet around there, and I chain 3. I go back to the circle with 1 single crochet, chain 3, and I go back in the blue, the one that is close to the back wing, and I do a single crochet in that picot, and I chain 3, and I go back to the circle and I do 1 single crochet. Cut the yarn and pull that through. So now I have both of the thingies.
All 3 of them now.
3. The one in the bottom and the 2 between the wings.
And now you can basically just do the
now I do the
crochet around. Butterfly. That will keep it. That will make it
more
square.
But you see, when you made it like this, it's not like completely squared. But when you put them together, you will pull this, and it will make a perfect square. So you see also when we done the first round, there's a lot of, so here's like groups of triple trebles and double trebles just to make it square. So I do the first round. Where do I start? Tell me where to start. I don't remember. Picot 1.
Okay, picot 1, chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 2.
So we do the first round by crocheting with green around the butterfly, and I start in this corner,
the upper corner of the wing,
with the chain 3 and 2 double crochets.
Okay.
Like that, and then I do chain 2, And then I work my way all around, and then some places I just do a double crochet, sometimes I do a treble, and sometimes I do the
triple
treble.
And that depends on the distance, I'm guessing, from the wing, because the wing is going inwards, right? So where it's going more inwards, you need to do more trebles than what you have to do on the edges.
So like in the next one, I do a group of 4 double crochets. Then I chain 2, and in the next again I do 4 of the double started, the trebles, because it's going down or in, so you need more.
Yeah, you need a bigger stitch.
Yeah, a longer stitch too.
Yeah.
So, like that. And then chain 2. So now you see the difference.
Yeah. Which means in the next one,
this time is a 4 times on the needle.
So that's a triple treble.
Triple treble. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
And then you go. Oh, sorry, I should go in the
hole. Yeah.
Then you pull it through the 2 first, the 2 next, the 2 next again, and then 2 and 2. So this is like a very long treble. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you just continue with this double trebles and triple trebles and trebles all around. 2, 3, 4.
And it's all written in the pattern that you can get on our website, arnecarlos.com.
1, 2.
And you could sit there in peace and quiet and read through it. And
so now you see how it works. And then you just go on like this with all these trebles and triple trebles and doubles, and you end it with the double stop, the
treble.
The trebles. One last round with trebles. Actually, this is the easy part, I think.
So that's basically it. The butterfly eventually will become a square, and to crochet them together, you can check out our website, arnecarlos.com. There is a tutorial called How to Join Granny Squares, and you can use the same method to join them together with crochet, like this.
Then you get the
coverlet.
The coverlet, or a big blanket.
Or a shawl if you don't want to do too many.
A pillow.
Yeah. So yeah, this has been fun. Our brains are completely scrambled now because of all the English, American, and Norwegian crochet terms.
Luckily, you have the pattern on our website.
Luckily, you have the pattern. So
if we say a lot of stupid things, you shouldn't listen. Just do the butterfly. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.